The hot new movie on the block is Twisters, and I just finished it, so let's talk about it. This movie is an action-packed thriller with Daisy Edgar-Jones and Glenn Powell, and they really knocked it out of the park with this casting. Their on-screen chemistry is amazing, and their friendship during their press interviews is unmatched. This movie really is one of the most action-packed movies I've ever seen. The tornadoes just kept coming, one after another. You'd think that was the biggest, and the next one would be even bigger. They even opened the movie with a jaw-dropping scene that will leave you shocked. Now, fans are a bit upset about the ending, to say the least. Now, throughout the movie, the characters played by Daisy and Glenn had a bit of a budding romance, and fans were upset by the ending as they decided to cut the kiss scene. While some say that the kiss scene was unnecessary and they're glad that it was cut, others say that that scene was just what the movie needed to push it over the edge. Now, even without the kiss scene, I think that this movie had plenty of action to be an enjoyable watch. The one thing that this movie did leave me wondering is what was the budget, because these effects were amazing.